Basketball, you betcha I'm back in the gym, ready to give you what you need to succeed every day, guaranteed. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm so ready to get after it this week. And I'm coming at you with something different this week because it was intriguing to me after searching some different things on the internet. I wanted to know what all this hype about AI is. And AI is a really good technology for so many different things. And today I want to use it to help you become better, because it's always good to get different perspectives. And why not get a perspective from artificial intelligence, right? So looking at it right now, we're going to go into making you a better shooter, right? Everybody wants to make shots. So let's see if the computer can teach us just the same way I teach you every day. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our drills that we have and we're just going to utilize them based on what the technology says. So here we go. So first, what they want is form shooting. Okay. You're going to stand close to the basket, around 4 to 6 feet, which we have you do, and you're going to focus on proper form shooting. Okay. You're going to take these shots using one hand only, and you're going to be focusing on your release and your follow through. You're going to repeat this drill, gradually incorporating your guide hand and increasing your shooting speed. So when you do this, as I've said to you already, we are going to continue to work on our form, work on our snap of our wrist, also working on the spread of our fingers. Okay, so awesome. We are right on track with what AI wants us to do. Now, this gives us more of a time frame to do it in. We can do it in 10 makes. Okay, so if you want to do it based on the AI, it would be 5 minutes. Okay, then we have mid-range shooting. So you're going to start at the mid-range area. Okay, it's around 15 to 18 feet from the basket. You're going to take shots off the catch, which you can roll to yourself. Okay, you're going to ensure you have proper footwork, balance, and shooting mechanics. Progress to shoot off the dribble, incorporating various dribble moves before pulling up for the jump shot. So these workouts would be something similar to what we already do. So working on our footwork would be our drill where we roll the ball out to ourselves, step into our shot around that 15 to 18 foot range. Then working our way to shooting off the dribble, which would be our 3-cone drill, okay, or even our bank shot drill. So either one of those you can utilize when shooting off the dribble. All right, that's great that we've already established that and told you these things that the AI is basically repeating out. So we're on the right track to making you a better shooter. So hopefully that helps you in this. Okay. Again, this is 5 minutes, so you can set a timer, or you can do similar to what we do and make about 3 or 4 shots each spot, depending on what drill you choose to do. All right. Now, looking at the rest of the workout here, they have 3-point shooting. Okay. They want you to move to the 3-point line and focus on shooting from beyond the arc. You're going to begin with catch and shoot shots, emphasizing quick release and consistent form. They want you to incorporate lateral movements, running off screens, and shooting on the move to simulate game-like scenarios. They want you to practice shooting from different spots around the 3-point line. So, looking at that, what we would do is our catch and shoot drills we haven't released to you yet, but we will definitely work on getting those to you. And with lateral movements, we will talk about that as well. We're still working on shooting off the dribble because we're individually working out. So what we will do is we will work basically around the perimeter 3, and then for movement on the 3, we will do our off the dribble 3. Okay, keeping it very simple, but we are going to be moving based on what AI says. Okay, and again, that's 5 minutes. or again, you can have a certain goal of makes. So let's just say 15 makes. Okay, perfect. Then they want you to go game-like situations. Okay, so you're going to create a game-like scenario to challenge your shooting skills. Start by shooting off screens, simulating coming off a pick, and shooting quickly. Incorporate shooting after a quick change of direction, such as shooting off a crossover or a hesitation move. Finish with a few free throws to practice shooting under pressure. So, we haven't told you to go to the free throw line yet today, but that is something that you will do at the end of what I'm going to explain as far as shooting. Okay, so what you can create in this is you can go 3-level shooting, okay, and incorporate a move in that when you're driving to shoot. Okay, so it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Again, we haven't really got into the move aspect of shooting, but we will. And you can also go back to the 3-cone drill where we do cross over a little bit and shoot. Okay, and then not to mention game-like scenario would be more based on the floater or you dribbling up and shooting a 3. All right. So I think the AI has done an awesome job in telling us what we need to do to be successful at shooting. And then another thing that they touched on is something that is very important as you continue to grow as a basketball player, and that's visualization. Okay, they want you to finish the workout with a cool down routine. So something with like stretching or moving. So we will call this our time to wind down. And what we can do is we can do the arm stretch and we can do the ball wraps. Okay, so now we're wrapping the ball around our leg. We're just getting loose a little bit and basically winding down the drill. Still a little bit of work, but not too crazy. And the visualization aspect is spending a few minutes while stretching to visualize your successful shooting and imagining yourself shooting with confidence in a game. As we continue to talk about player development and player character and the mentality of a player, we will definitely tap into the mindset of meditation. Okay, so that is very important. I think the AI was spot on with that. One thing that the AI didn't talk about that I think is going to be important for you as a shooter is to be in shape. You can't play the game of basketball only standing, catching, and shooting the ball. So, you know what that means. We're definitely going to do some conditioning. So with that, I want you to grab that basketball, get that ball with your weak hand, and you're going to go sideline to sideline. We're going to do 15s today. I like the number 15, so we're going to go 15 today. And then we are going to run 5 liners today. The goal is 36 seconds with those liners. As you start to get tired, you will get closer to that number, and I want you to be able to push through and beat that goal on number 3, 4, and 5 when you run the liners. Remember, they're not in a row. Make sure you take a break in between each thing that you do when you're running. The only one that's going to be in a row is the 15 in a row. That one's going to have the quads a little tired and you a little winded. All right. And then I want you to make sure you get some jump roping in. That'll be your extra work for today. It's always good to have that extra work. Never run away from the extra work, because the goal is to be in shape, be in the best shape, and have no reasons why you shouldn't be. All right. Basketball U, I can't thank you enough. Just wanted to try this AI generated workout. Looks like we're on the right page, but it looks like we got to give you a couple more things to be on track with that AI. Tomorrow, I'm going to see what AI says about dribbling the basketball, and we're definitely going to take you through that workout. So this whole week is going to be AI generated workouts and see what happens and see if it can make us better as basketball players. Basketball U, I appreciate you as always. Thank you for coming each and every day, in every way, working as hard as you can. I'm the Daily Trainer. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with somebody that needs some basketball skills. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?